Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. According to Facebook, blocking someone on Messenger means they won't be able to talk to you through Messenger or desktop Facebook chat. They can't call you or send you messages on Messenger or in a chat going forward. Your previous messages between yourself and the person you're blocking won't be deleted. So, you have to manually delete those messages if you don't want them. There could be a number of reasons why you chose to block someone on Messenger, including you're getting spam messages or Facebook Messenger scams sent to you, or you're getting harassing messages from someone and someone keeps trying to contact you against your wishes. If you don't want to receive someone's messages or calls, here's how to block them on the Messenger mobile app. In the Messenger app, search for the person you want to block, open up a chat with them, and click on their name at the top of the conversation. You should see a menu with an option that says Block. Click that option, and you'll have the choice to either block their messages and calls on the app or block someone entirely on Facebook. Click on the option you want. Here's another way you can block someone on the Messenger. On the Messenger app, click your profile picture in the top left corner. In the menu, click Privacy. Then, click Block Accounts. And click Add or the plus symbol in the upper right hand corner. Search for the person you want to block and click their name. You'll have the choice to either block their messages and calls on the app or block someone entirely on Facebook. Click on the option you want. If you don't want to block someone on Facebook, but you also don't want to receive their messages anymore, you can choose to ignore their messages instead of outright blocking them. To do that, click Block Messages and Calls. If you ignore someone's messages, you won't be notified when they message you, and their messages will go to spam or message request. However, you will still be friends with them on Facebook. If you want to block the person entirely, click Block on Facebook. Blocking someone on Facebook means they will also be unfriended. Either way, you won't get their messages on the Messenger app. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.